All right, so one of the things that I wanted to show you about is to put it into service mode, which is basically like with old cars, you put it on accessory. You just take and you push and hold the start button without your foot on the brake. And that will turn everything on. You can see it shows 0 for the oil pressure because the engine's not running. Once you get it to the speed that you want or whatnot, or you messed with this and it's in manual mode, is you just pull and hold the up shifter paddle, and we'll let the car shift up to a higher gear, but as an automatic. It'll go back into drive instead of being in manual. Another thing that I find quite useful is like if I'm in traffic or whatnot, particularly if it's like down a hill and I don't really want the clutches to engage, is to basically pull the clutch. And the way you do that is you just pull both handles at the same time. Another feature that I use a lot on the car is valet mode, and the unfortunate thing is it's kind of buried. So what you do is you go hit the home button, so you go to settings, vehicle, you scroll down, and you'll see 2 modes here. We don't have a teen driver, so I don't use that, but valet mode, if you go in there and you enter in a code, enter, you do it again. So now with that, everything is locked. Your glove boxes are locked, your center console is locked, nothing can change on here. It's limited in speed, your acceleration is limited, so you need to unlock it again. You just put the code back in, unlock, and now everything is back unlocked. One of the things I really don't like about the early C8s is launch mode is buried. I believe in the new ones, if you click the Z button, which is this button right here, it'll change it. Mine just changes into track mode. It includes the launch feature, I believe. I could be wrong, but that's my understanding. So in the older C8s, this one's a 20. The way you get to it is kind of a convoluted process. Put it into track mode. So after that, you're going to push this button twice, but it's like tap, tap. Don't do it too quick like you would with a computer. It's tap, tap. And that brings up this new menu. And what you do is with your little knob down here is you turn that to either Sport 1 or Sport 2. That brings the car into that launch mode. So once that goes off, we should be good. I should be able to give it with the brake on nice and hard. And that is launch mode. If you do it without, see, it's much lower. Bit of a pain to get it into launch mode in this particular year, but that's how you do it. If you like what you see here, please like and subscribe for more content, and hope to see you out there.